around. Cold breath on a broken stair. Dust moves but no one's there. Camera rolling, red light on, but something's already gone. Footsteps echo out of sync. Shadows move when you don't blink. Static crawling through the frame. Every night feels just the same. We don't knock, we just walk in. Let the silence pull us in. Every door we shouldn't try. Every voice that shouldn't cry. Whispers in the hallway calling out our names. Something here remembers why we came. In the dark where the silence screams, we chase ghosts inside our dreams. Through the lens they start to breathe, and they're staring back at me. Feel the air turning cold. Hear the stories left untold. If you watch, don't look away. They might follow you today. Lights flicker, battery dies. Shapes reflected in our eyes. We rewind but miss the part where it gets inside your heart. Broken glass and rusted chains. Every scab repeats the pain. We don't run, we stay too long. Now we don't know where we belong. Signal lost, but something stays in the footage. We chase ghosts inside our dreams. Through the lens they start to breathe, and now staring back at me. Feel the air turning cold. Hear the stories left untold. If you watch, don't look away. They might follow you today. Did you see that? No rewind. That wasn't there before. We didn't come here alone. Still frames, but something moved. Still sound, but something proved. If you listen, you'll believe. They never let you leave.